Wait, when zu kan picnic a thian ho nen mo chuanin thil kha kan ei dong na ni chu thil kan siama chuanin kan thil siam tu ti kan lo ti lang ve shim shimang o so tam lut tuk sangha nya alu chuanin this thing chicken cabbage and all that. One of my friends is marinate like beef. We are going to do for barbecue, and the other one prawns. Somebody they are making prawns and fried, and the other one is marinade, and I don't know what they are going to prepare. Let's take a look. Today we're going to enjoy. This is our friend's room. Very nice place. Take a look. Everything will be there.
สหายางวันสหาส่วนอาลูแครอทส่วนอินสทีปรุนเซนส่วนอินสปริงออเนียนส่วนดันยาเนี่ยส่วนแคเบจโตมาโต้ชิคเก้นหนอนโดนลูกจุกพื้นที่กันแทนที่เขาเรียนกันปิกนิกกันคือกันให้โดนน้ำหอมส่วนที่ใบทานปรอนสัญญาให้ปรอนส์ว้าว it looks so yummy oh my god girls what are you doing you're doing for barbecue marinating sis master chef and she's beautiful lady, and then this thing already finished. This is already we're going to try it, and this is chicken. This thing also we're going to marinate and we'll make for barbecue. Okay.
Hello, what are you going to do there? This one is what is that? Okay, and what else, Rosie? What you are doing?
What do you think I am doing?
Yeah, doing this for what?
Let's see.
Let's see. She's very beautiful, girls.
Oh my
Tomorrow
God.
she had some work.
Oh my God.
She's so much like, question mark. Will not say that. Yeah. So now we are going to prepare. This is prawns. Yeah, the water is canned. Yep. And this is prawns, and this is fish, and Goan fish, local, nice one, fresh one, and then let's see another side. This is chicken, and this is beef. Wow, it will be awesome. Here it is, more gym place and nice place. This is that beautiful, girls. I want once more. Now I'm becoming. Wow, what is this?
Explain what they are doing.
Focus this one like this. How much difficult it is? It's not sharp also. I have to do like this. And like this for the barbecue. Oh my gosh, so difficult. See you soon.
You're doing a good job though. Cut. Show people how you do it.
So difficult. It's not working. Knife is small. It's like without knife. Hello. Today I'm going to prepare cucumbers. I'm going to eat cucumbers. Just wait a minute. So this one is to make. Maybe give me the plate now. Then I'll give the cucumber. Give me empty plate. Yeah. So I'm going to chop. I'm going to chop it. Oh! Look at that. It's crazy. Hey, other girls is hiding face, but no, don't worry about that. You'll see it. You'll see it. But see, look at that. Look at that. Look. Oh my God. She didn't allow to show face. What to do? I don't have idea. I'm sorry, but kan bahan ain satak. Arsa chuanin sanghania hi prawns kai kuang, and then this one is cucumber. Nghe tham cucumber chu mi so trong chuan phang ma, and this is salad potato te ne na siam nya hi eng lo beef bong sam mama tem thil in dor an on don na tam